Hello people, welcome to this new video series on developing applications using Flutter. So as you know, from Google I/O 17, Google introduced us Flutter, a new open source library for creating mobile applications. Flutter is a solution for creating cross-platform applications with beautiful UI. Flutter's way of designing Vue is actually similar to those of designing web applications. So we can find many analogies to HTML and CSS. So this video is going to be the first video in this series, uh, and we are just going to create a simple hello world application, and I'm going to explain some basics code structure to you. So let's start a new Flutter project. Remember to install Flutter on your system. There's a different guide for Linux, Windows and Mac, so I'll keep the link in the description separately, and you can follow those guide, and if you run into any problem you can just comment down below and I'll help you out in that. I've installed everything, prepared SDKs and everything, so I'll just start a new Flutter project. I need a Flutter application. Now let me give me my name. So first app, and I need to give a Flutter SDK path, so I'll just go ahead and give me my Flutter SDK path. And here is my project location, and I'm just going to hit next. So yes, the package name, I'm going to change this package name. And everything else is there, so finish. So the project is successfully built. We have one file here, main.dart, which is our actual view here. So there are a lot of codes here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything and delete. I'll code everything from the beginning so that you understand what I'm doing, and I'll also explain it to you. So the first line you need to write is import. So we're going to import package flutter material.dart. I'll obviously come back to this, what this means. Now void main, I need a semicolon here. So void main run app, my app semicolon class my app extends stateless widget widget build return material app let me give me a title. Welcome to Flutter, guys. Home is going to be a scaffold. I need an app bar. App bar is the title bar that you know in Android, basically. App bar. So in app bar, I'm going to give a title and a text inside it. So this is Flutter. App bar is done now, and now I need a body. below here. So body, I need this in the center. Now this is something I'm printing on the UI. Child text hello world. Okay, so this example actually creates a material app. What material is? Material is a visual design language, okay, that is standard on mobile and web. So Flutter offers a rich set of material widgets. The main method uses this arrow notation. This arrow notation is used for one-line functions. The app extends a stateless widget. Okay, the stateless widget makes the app itself a widget. So in Flutter, almost everything is a widget actually, which includes alignment, padding, and layout. The another thing I'd like to talk to you about is the scaffold. The scaffold widget from the material library provides a default app bar and a body property that holds the widget free from the home screen. Okay, the widget subtree can be quite complex, but yeah, we'll go on with this. The main job of a widget is to provide a build method. Okay, a build method uh, that actually talks about how to display the widget in terms of other lower level widgets. So the body for this function, as you can see here, consists a center widget which contains a text here. So what this is going to do is it is going to print hello world in the center of your screen. So I think I have an error in this code. Let me correct this first. So it definitely needs something. Okay, I need semicolon here. So let's run this application. One important feature of Flutter is hot reloading. So whenever you're changing something in the code, like in Android, if you remember, you had to rebuild everything using Gradle. But in case of Flutter, there's one feature called hot reload, which actually allows you to instantly observe your changes on your device whenever you're changing it on the code. So for that, you just need to change the code somewhere, and then just hit Control S, or like save the file, and you can view your changes there. So see you in the upcoming video. We're going to explore some more about Flutter. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.